Hello, my name's Patrick White and I'm a lecturer in sociology at the University of Leicester. I've written this book as someone who came to statistics quite late and who knows what it's like to find the subject challenging. In the book, I concentrate on the fundamental concepts to give you a good grounding in the basics. There's very little maths in the book and only a few simple equations. Most of the examples use real data that you can download to use for yourself if you want. I think this provides a unique combination that isn't currently available in any other text. This book is probably for you if you fit into one or more of the following categories. Firstly, you've never done statistics before. Or you might want to learn about statistics but aren't confident about doing maths. You could be taking a statistics class but are finding some of the ideas difficult. Or you're doing a research project and you need to analyse your data, perhaps from a questionnaire. You might be a teacher who's supervising research projects and doesn't have a background in statistics, but has students who want to do some statistical analysis. In the slides at the end of this video, there is more information about the book and my YouTube channel. I hope you find them both useful.